Good afternoon, students. Today it's activity period, EVS 1 activity. Now we will do an activity in which you have to put a tick on correct answer and you have to put cross mark on the incorrect or the wrong answer. And our topic for today's activity will be sources of water. But before starting the activity, as always, I will explain you what is sources of water. Now, the sources of water is mainly divided into two parts: surface water and the ground water. Okay, so first one, surface water. Water that collects on the surface of the ground. Okay, for example, such as water which is collected in the ponds, in the rivers, in the lake. Okay, that is called the surface water. Okay, and the rain falls on the rivers, in the rivers, lakes and ponds also. So water from the rain also goes under the ground and also in this surface water sources. So there is water stored under the ground also. Okay, so in this way there is water on the ground also and under the ground also, which is available for us. Sources of water means from where do we get water. Okay, the main source you everybody knows, rain. Yes, and from the rain in this sources water is collected. Okay, now that there are few other sources also, like the third one, seas and ocean water. Ocean water, as I had shown you a map in the last video also, in last activity, see this. Yes, 97% of the 97% of all the water which is there on the earth, in that 97% is the ocean water. Okay, but this water is not potable water, means it is not good for drinking because it consists of lot of salt and impurities. When the salt and other impurities, if it is removed, then only we can use it for drinking, otherwise it cannot be used for drinking. Okay, fourth one, the snow, the ice and the glacier. Okay, from the small percent which is available as fresh water, from that 70% is currently locked in glaciers and ice. Okay, the water is locked, means it is in the form of glacier and ice, which also cannot be used for drinking. Okay, that means very less percent of water is available for the human beings. Okay, so water, here you understand that water is very precious and we should not waste water. Now let's start our activity. Now in this activity I will be giving you some pictures. Okay, sources of water and with that other pictures also. Now in that you have to look at the picture and you have to guess if it is a source of water. You have to put a tick mark in front of that name, and if it is not a source of water you have to put a cross mark in front of that name. Okay, first one is tap, second one is garden. Now you see here, for example, I have done for you first and second one, tap and garden. Tap is not a source of water, so you have to put tap is a source of water, so you have to put a tick mark in front of it. Okay, and second one, the garden is not a source of water, so you have to put a cross mark in front of it. Okay, now another options. Third one, river. Fourth one, sun and moon. Fifth one, well. Sixth one, sea. Seventh one, lake. Eighth one, car. Ninth one, pond. 10th one, television. 11th one, mountains. 12th one, streams. 13th, ocean. 14th, rain. 15th, trees. Okay, now you have to write all these names in your notebook, EVS1 notebook. Okay, you have to give it a heading, activity sources of water. Write the names and in front of that tick if it is a source of water and cross if it is not a source of water. Okay, this is the activity which you have to do. Okay, thank you so much, students. Do like, comment and share for more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.